Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Wiki Januriati dengan NIM 19043145. Baiklah, kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang tugas minggu ke-11 Sistem Informasi Manajemen di buku Balzan page 158 sampai 955. Baiklah, question pertama, define Decision Support System atau DSS and Group Decision Support System and describe the role they play in a business. My answer, decision support system are interactive computer-based system used to help the middle manager perform tasks, such as allocation, resource, comparing budget to actual result, drilling down to analyze result, projecting revenue, evaluating scenario analysis, and utilize data and model to support to making of non-routine decision. They also use to solve unstructured and unique problem. The internal information for the decision support system is provided by the transaction process system and the management information system. Group decision support system is a class of decision support system. It is defined as computer-based information system which decide to enhance the deliberation, communication, and for decision made by a group of participants. The characteristic of group decision support system that distinguish it from a decision support system are: first, the number of people involved in the decision-making process. The group decision support system focus on the group and help them to make up with its idea and decide the best course of action, while the decision support system focus on individual, for instance, the manager of the supervisor. Second, the group decision support system relies on idea created by the group and give the venue to discuss, improve, and vote on, while the decision support system depend on knowledge base and on mathematical model. Question number 2. Define expert system and describe the role they play in a business. Expert systems are computer applications that combine computer equipment, software, and specialist information to emit expert human reasons and advice. As a branch of artificial intelligence, expert system provide describe specific advice and explanation to the user. Question number 3. How can a manager use automation, streamlining, and business process reasoning to gain operating efficiency and efficient? My answer, automatic streamlining and reengineering are used to increase the efficiency of business. Automatical includes by computerizing tasks the original have to done manual. Streamlining increases business process efficiency by getting rid of unnecessary tasks. My answer, question number 4. What is artificial intelligence? What are the 5 types of AI system? What application are AI after the greatest business value? My answer, artificial intelligence is an intelligent entity created by human, capable of performing tasks intelligent with being explicitly instructed, capable of thinking and acting rationally and human. 3 types of artificial intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence is the artificial intelligence system are designed to solve one single problem and would to be able to execute a single task really well. Artificial general intelligence atau AGI it is defined as AI which has a human level of concrete function across a wide variety of domains such as language processing, image processing, computation, and reasoning, and so on. Artificial Superintelligence atau ACIs in an artificial superintelligence system would to be able to support all human capabilities. Application of AI after the greatest business value has the potential to transform many industries with a wide range of possible use cases. What all these different industry and use cases have common in that they are the data-driven, since artificial intelligence is a effective data process system at its core. There are a lot of protection for application everywhere. Baiklah, question dari sumber lain yaitu yang kelima adalah jelaskan contoh keputusan-keputusan yang dihasilkan dari keberadaan DSS dan GDSS serta contoh keputusan-keputusan yang dihasilkan dari keberadaan IS dan kesimpulannya. DSS merupakan suatu sistem informasi yang diharapkan dapat membantu manajemen dalam proses mengambilkan keputusan. Hal yang perlu ditekankan di sini adalah bahwa keberadaan DSS bukan untuk menggantikan tugas-tugas manajer, tetapi untuk menjadi sarana penunjang atau tools bagi mereka. Jadi, fungsinya untuk membantu mengambil keputusan dengan menyediakan informasi, model, atau perangkat untuk menganalisa informasi. Contoh aplikasi DSS yaitu untuk proses kenaikan jabatan dan perencanaan karir pada PTX. Yang kedua, DSS berbasis spreadsheet untuk menganalisis biaya penyelenggaraan pendidikan manajemen. Lembaga pendidikan memerlukan alat bantu dalam perencanaan anggaran yang dapat mensimulasikan pengaruh kebijakan manajemen terhadap anggaran operasional. DSS juga akan kelayakan proposal kredit Bank Rakyat Indonesia. Misalnya, sebagai contoh pemberikan kredit Bank Rakyat Indonesia di mana BRI memberikan kredit pada debitur tetapi melalui proses yang harus dilalui. Penyaluran kredit yang berhasil akan membawa keuntungan yang besar bagi bank. Oleh karena itu, BRI harus benar-benar hati-hati untuk menyalurkan kreditnya. Dengan adanya perkembangan teknologi komputer di bidang sistem informasi, dirancanglah suatu sistem pendukung komputer yang bernama SDSS yang dirancang dengan cara cepat atau quick hit dan pendekatan secara interaktif. Oke, question number 6. Jelaskan apa harus DSS dan GDSS menjadi satu paket dalam sebuah entitas bisnis. Dan perusahaan seperti apa yang harus punya DSS? Oke, menurut saya sebaiknya untuk mengambil keputusan DSS dapat menjadi satu paket dalam sebuah entitas bisnis. Karena DSS merupakan sistem untuk membantu manajer dalam mengambil keputusan dengan cara mengamati lingkungan di dalam perusahaan. Contoh, seperti link elektronik, sedangkan GDSS hampir sama dengan DSS. Bedanya hanya untuk mencari solusi permasalahan melalui pengumpulan pengetahuan dalam suatu kelompok, bukan per individu. Biasanya berbentuk kuesioner, konsultasi, dan skenario. Contohnya seperti e-government, sehingga jika pengambilan keputusan dilakukan oleh DSS dan GDSS menjadi satu entitas bisnis, akan menjadi lebih baik dan lebih akurat lagi hasilnya. Konsep GDSS yaitu sistem berbasis komputer yang membantu sekelompok orang melakukan tugas dengan tujuan yang sama, memberikan antar muka untuk digunakan bersama. Jadi istilah ini menggambarkan aplikasi teknologi informasi ke dalam situasi kelompok. Baiklah, selanjutnya kasus kelas B di buku London tentang Siemens Make Business Process More Visible. Oke, question number 1. Identify the problem in the case study. What management, organization, and technology factor contributed to the problem? My answer: Siemens' inability to reason new technology to the public in impressive in terms of consistent and efficiency. but dangerous in a market that need the most recent advancement. By looking for more effective way to run the company. In 2014, CMN developed a data analytic for smart handling to aggressively promote global process optimization across all CMN divisions. Millions of transaction documents are analyzed by the technology to detect abnormalities, workflow, through reviewing logs in the ERP system. A company might use mining tool to determine the source of unexpected delay. Okay, management was seeking better ways of making the business more efficient and turned to business process mining technology. Organization CMN has thousands of business process, some of which are very complex. The company established a unique collect process dash. Technology process mining software analyze data in enterprise application event log to determine how business processes are actually working in order to identify bottlenecks and other area of inefficiency so that they are be improved. The technology can analyze millions of transaction record and spot deviation from a normal workflow. Question number 2. Describe incompatibilities of process mining software. Process mining software analyzes data in enterprise application event logs to determine how business processes are actually working in order to identify bottlenecks in the production, delivery, and payment process and other area. This was an effective solution for CMN since Celonis has capability for comparing user target operating model to the is process providing and automatic fit GIP analysis. Also, the company uses process mining to analyze data from its ERP, accounting, and payment approval system to understand the root cause of the problem. Question number 3. How did process mining change decision making at CMN? Since Simon implemented process mining, they have been able to identify slowdown in procurement, late products deliveries, and billing inefficiency that were costing the company millions of dollars. What manager, organization, and technology ensure need to be addressed when implement profit mining system. Long-term management resist to change should be addressed by illusion and communicating the benefit of the process mining system. The ability to use process mining system and ensure efficiency and bottlenecks are addressed and solved, and there's the process mining system compatible with the current infrastructure and can easily be integrated into the ERP system. As an example, the head of CMN, Lars Reinkemer, was able to promote analytic adoption by identifying individuals who were reception to process mining and enlisting them to promote teknologi. Baiklah, terima kasih, banyak maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.